In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create input fields with auto layout and variants in Figma. We'll start by building a flexible base input. Then turn it into a reusable component with clear states like default, hover, focused, error, and disabled. Begin by creating the base input field. Add a text layer that will act as your placeholder and include an optional icon if your design calls for it. Select these elements together and press Shift+A to wrap them in an auto layout frame. This frame will automatically adjust as your content changes, which is exactly what you want for inputs. With the frame selected, set comfortable horizontal and vertical padding so the text and icon breathe inside the field. Apply a fill color for the background and add a stroke to define the box. Keep the resizing set to hug contents for now so the frame wraps tightly around its contents. This makes it easier to fine-tune spacing before you decide how it should behave in a layout. If the placeholder and icon need spacing between them, adjust the item spacing in the auto layout settings. Next, add the surrounding elements. Create an input label above the field and helper text below it. Select the label, the input field frame, and the helper text. Then place them inside a new vertical auto layout frame. Adjust the spacing between items so the label, field, and helper text feel balanced and readable. This vertical stack keeps everything tidy and ensures consistent alignment across instances. Now convert the entire structure into a component. Select the full stack and click the Create Component icon at the top center, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows. Option+Command+K on Mac. With the component selected, add a variant by clicking the plus icon in the Variants section of the right panel. You'll see a purple, dashed container holding identical variants. Define your properties and states. In the right sidebar, rename the default variant property to state for clarity. Set the first variant's state to default. Select the second variant, name it state hover, and tweak the visuals. For example, by applying a blue stroke to indicate interactivity. Repeat this pattern for other states. Focused might use a stronger stroke or accent to guide attention. Error can use a clear error color and adjust helper text styling to communicate the issue. Disabled should reduce contrast to signal non-interactive status. Keep naming consistent so switching states in the right panel feels intuitive. You now have a clean, scalable input with auto layout and well-defined variants. Thanks for watching.